You inspire me, you will message me. You play such an important role in my life.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a guilt-free dessert which is super quick and super easy to make. Let's quickly go and see our frozen strawberry sundae.
Here I have is almond milk unsweetened. You can also opt for coconut milk. Then I have one whole avocado, magic leaf stevia sweetener and fresh strawberries. So here we have the blender. First we are going to add some almond milk. That's about half a cup. To that I'm going to add my one whole avocado. And now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of magic leaf stevia, and lastly I'm going to add some fresh strawberries. And now we're going to blend the same. Here we have our strawberry ice cream going into it, and now I'm going to add some slices of fresh strawberries from top and mix this well. And before we put into the freezer, we're going to mix this well and we're going to keep it in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. So our very strawberry ice cream is ready with super less calories.
Our frozen strawberry sundae is ready. It is super easy and a super quick dessert. It's completely guilt-free. It's loaded with vitamin C and folate, and it's a great antioxidant. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Also, please like, share and subscribe to the channel